Here at Meeting House Lane Level Crossing in County Antrim, Abbey 28, transfer specialist Ireland and beyond, and Northern Ireland train spotter. Move out of the way, Zach. You're going to make it hangman again. Oh, whoops. My foot's in the way. We got a very, very short interval. It didn't even last a minute. Time now is
16:10.
16:10 on Saturday the 6th of November 2021. This will be for your probably your 16 something Air Not Airn service. 16:05, slightly delayed. Air Not Airn service from Dublin Connolly to Belfast Lanyon Place. Or Lanyon Place. No, because it went to Dublin Connolly like. Oh yeah, you're right. You're right. I keep thinking like I keep thinking Lisburn is that way. I don't know why. And I keep thinking Belfast is that way. Wait, what? What? Let me see. Huh? Oh yeah, they are. They are, yes. I don't know if you can see, but my bum is hurting sitting on this thing. But they are sitting on the edge of the platform, and that is really dangerous. Dude, honestly, man, yeah. Yeah, there.
The ICR is coming.
Is it an ICR though?
Yes, it's 22.
Different lights.
What different light?
Yes, I should know. Those definitely don't look like NIR lights at all. Yeah, you're right. It's an ICR.
Looks like a 29.
No, it's a 22 because it's got that light. It's got that light in the top.
29's have those lights like the top.
No, it's definitely a 22. To Dublin Conley, I think.
This will have the treat before them. Right. Oh, we've got 22,339.
22,339. 22,339 to Dublin Conley, and up they go. Look how chuffed I am, guys. Thanks, guys. See you in the next video.